Hello, season's greetings, Happy New Year and welcome to 2025. This video we're going to go back through what we've done over the last year during 2024. Involved getting the car to the point of being back on the road, being able to take my son to the prom, which was the main goal which I set to myself when I started working on the car approximately 2 years ago now. Obviously starting to edit and publish some of the videos on YouTube, which I'm quite grateful for the guys that are following along. I really wasn't expecting to have that much interest, to be honest. It was really just published as a personal passion project for myself, and really just a documentary saying years to come I could look back and say, oh yes, I remember doing that, and the way it was done before. But yeah, no, it's interesting to see how the channel has grown from that point of view. We've got lots of content coming up during 2025. I've got the installation of the carpets, the installation of the headlining, some of the lighting stuff needs to be updated. There's some work around the headlamp surrounds that I've needed to do. Some brake work that's also had some stuff done onto it. The rebuild of the slave cylinder. Coolant header tanks have been replaced. There's a whole load of things which I've basically done on the car already, which you wouldn't have seen content for yet because I just haven't got around to editing it yet. I shall be doing that during this kind of early part of 2025 when the weather's not good enough to be able to really be doing much else. I'll get some of that done, including some of the events which I attended during last year, which I've also not published the videos for yet. And then we've also got the continuation of the Gaskets Garage, which I'm quite excited about. That's an interesting venture working with that. Hopefully you've already seen Series 1 or Episode 1 with Mick and Ms McLaren. If you haven't done, I shall put a link down below. That's a good watch. Hopefully you'll enjoy that as much as what we did making it, and we'll continue to make some more. So again, I'll say welcome to 2025. Wish you all the best. Thank you.